So we want to look at silver from daily perspective to see what price is doing on daily. And the first approach is to see our floor and our roof. This is our floor on daily. So this is a daily floor, and this is our daily roof. Very beautiful roof on daily. This is from 2023 April. Gold and silver, they they almost have the same price action, almost. So when you see silver selling, sometimes silver price action might help you in trading gold. They have almost equal global demand. When gold is dropping, silver is dropping. When silver is dropping, gold is dropping. So it's okay to sometimes look at the price action and use it and stay guided. So let's extend our floor so that in the future we watch price return to this level where we look at a potential buy sell opportunity. So I think it makes a whole lot of sense to have our roof and our floor in this manner. So now we have a floor and we have a roof. So this is our floor and we have our roof. So we watch out for price to return into this level where we look out for opportunity for buy from the floor and we look for a sell opportunity from the roof. And you can see how the roof have provided a sell opportunity where sellers have anchored on to sell the market. So we have here resistance structure, resistance structure, and finally resistance structure on double top, and price is dropping. And we have here support floor, demand floor, demand floor, demand floor, and price have left. Now you see we have way much thousand pips the floor, but price cannot just drop to the floor like that. So because silver and gold are two most precious metals tradable in the market, a lot of billionaires use silver and copper and gold to store their wealth. In fact, in ancient times, wealth was stored in silver and gold. So to date, silver and copper and gold remains a means of store of value. So as we rate gold, we rate silver, and it's forecasted by 2030 the price of copper and the price of silver will skyrocket, especially silver. Silver is poised to have a push in price. So if you have missed gold, you can begin to store silver. Silver will continue to be in high rise. The value of silver will continue for its industrial application. So let's look at the chart and see if there is a possible buy opportunity as the market is heavily bullish. So we look at another price action from here. When price touch the floor, what price has done after touching the floor. So here we have a very strong price action. We have here support, so support structure, support structure, support structure, breakout of support structure, price returns, resistance structure, resistance structure, breakout of the resistance structure, price returns here on demand. I want price to return back here where I look out for buy opportunity at this level. But the buy opportunity we want to see if we get more confidence to buy. And when we look critically, we will see that we have another break of structure where price has actively we have here a resistance structure, resistance structure, resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, and followed by a retest. I want price to return here for a buy. At this angle, I will wait for buy opportunity according to the structure of the market. The market is still very much in demand. Silver is bullish. After price formed a double top structure and the break of the neckline on the double top structure brought in more sell and price is doing its thing. So we can see here, let's use this for reference. This is for educational purpose only, so we don't mind about the lines. We have here resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, price returns here on demand, and after which broke the structure and retested on a double top and is poised to sell down. So we have to be patient to allow silver come to our area of value. If silver comes to our area of value, we know what to do and when to sell. And I try to gauge it to see what price has done at this level. You will see critically that price might continue to drop to retest the roof of the descending channel. We had a channel, I'm going to change the color to black, the roof of the channel and the floor of the channel. So you can see every time price comes to the roof, there's a sell down, comes to the roof, there's a sell down before the breakout of the descending trend line or the breakout of the descending channel and price have retested. On technical, it makes sense to see price continue to fall to return to this level where we look for a retest. On confluence, we have an ascending trend line, which I believe might hold price and set the price of silver on a bullish pedestal. So this is what we expect for silver, and we have done so many analyses on the gold. So I believe in this structure so much. So we want to see price return in this level where we look out for a buy opportunity in line with the structure of the market. So let's see if price will do its thing, if price will do its thing, because look at the structure. You can see the roof, look at the roof, and look at the floor. So every time price touches the roof, it makes a contact with the floor. It touches the roof, no contact to the floor, touches the roof again, no contact to the floor. So we cannot rush into conclusion. In the future, we have another strong area of demand where we expect price coming into our box and give us some reaction at that level. The yellow box is a buy box. So if price returns there, feel free to attempt buying silver based on the structure of the market. So what is the trade ahead and what do we expect in the last Thursday, Friday was a massive sell, and we think that silver is still very much bullish, and we do not have any strong fundamental that could be pushing price down. So what we see is we want to see a case of a retest. We have a strong structure at this place after break of structure, a break of structure from a W structure, and the price is showing a significant bullish ability at this level. So we continue to see if silver sellers can break the blue structure. If the blue structure is broken, then we'll look at opportunity where price will come to the ascending trend line for a potential buy opportunity. So coming week, we want to see price come down. If price come down and we test the blue zone, which is 29.95452, we want to see how the reactions at that level. But I'm very confident that we are heading for a retest of a broken descending trend line, retest one, resistance structure one, two, three, four, five, breakout, retest one. It makes a whole lot of sense to see price return as we await the return of price again for gold. So they are both planning the same thing. For gold, we are expecting a structure like this, a retest. So this is what we have for silver. And silver from the bottom, we have a very strong price action. We have here resistance structure, break out of a resistance structure, price returns here on demand. It also makes sense in the future to see price return here if that will be possible. But for now, we will continue to look at the price action as market moves and look for a potential entry opportunity in a lower time frame using our multi-time frame analysis. Now we know the direction of trade. Silver is still bullish, but we are looking for a potential buy opportunity to avoid stop loss hunt. So if you enter wrongly, you're gonna be hunted. So now we see potential opportunity for silver. Let's wait, let's be patient and see if sellers might want to push price to the red ascending trend line. This is very important for us. If price comes down here, it's going to be a buy time.